Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Meysenberg, and I'm a professor in the Department of Computing at Doane University.
And my name is Dr. Alec Engebretson. I'm a professor of computing at Doane University.
And we're here today to give you a bite of computing, and in particular, we're going to talk about one of the career fields that you can do, and that is software engineering. So at Doane, our computing major has two tracks, software engineering and IT and security, information technology and security. On the software engineering side, what we're talking about is going and being one of the people that writes the software that runs the computers all over the world. And so software really can be considered the most complex thing ever created by human beings. And so as a software engineer, you get to get your fingers into that and be responsible for the things that run our daily lives.
And ultimately, building software, being an engineer in software, is all about solving problems. So what we really focus on is we focus on that whole process of solving a problem, from understanding what the problem is, developing the requirements and specifications you need, creating good designs, and then implementing those designs and then testing them. And so if you think about that process, there's careers all along the way from that. So we have individuals who might be analysts, and their job is to go into an organization and help identify what are the requirements that we want to build in our software. We have graduates who have been software engineers, so they take the requirements from the analysts, and they're actually the ones that code that software and develop the software. We have individuals who are quality assurance individuals, so their job is to take that software that's being developed and to test it. And sometimes they'll test it on themselves, and sometimes they'll test it with users. And then we have individuals also who go that route. They are what we call UI, UX professionals. So they're into that user interface, that user experience. Oftentimes they'll have a background that combines with computing. So they might be someone who's a graphic designer as well as a computing major. And what they're doing is they're focusing on that user interface and working with the user to have a good experience. And so there are opportunities across the spectrum. But again, it's all about solving problems, and it's one of our tracks here at Doane, and that is software engineering.
And just the final word on software engineering is this is one of the fastest growing career fields in the world right now. There's an amazing demand, and it's projected to stay that way for many, many years. And so if it's something you're interested in, something you enjoy doing, it's a great career.